Hello everyone, welcome to moderate level question number 9. Let's look at the question now. It says AL can complete a work in 8 days, Brent can complete the work in 10 days, Casper can complete the work in 12 days when working individually. However, on any given single day, only 2 people can work and same group of people must not work the following day. The next following day. Now what is the minimum number of days in which the work can be completed? That's the question. Options are A3, B9, C5, D7, E11. What is the information given? It says AL can complete a piece of work in 8 days. Brent can complete the same work in 10 days. Casper can complete the same work in 12 days. Also, the condition is that only 2 people can work on any given day and same group of people must not work on following day. Now, what do we have to find out? The minimum number of days for the work to get completed. Right? Now, let's solve this question. Now let's take the LCM of this time factors, that is 8, 10 and 12, which is equal to 120. Now let's assume that the work is of 120 units. Now we can say that AL can complete a piece of work in 8 days, implies AL can complete daily 15 units of work. That is 15 into 8 is equal to 120, that way. Also Brent can complete the same work in 10 days, implies Brent can complete 12 units of work. Also Casper can complete the same work in 12 days, implies Casper can complete daily 10 units of work. Now 2 people can work on any given day, right? So let's take the combinations. Now if you take Ariel and Brent, they can complete how much? 15 plus 12, that is equal to 27 units of work. Also, if you take Brent and Casper, they can complete 12 plus 10, that is 22 units of work every day. And if we take Casper and Ariel, then they can complete 10 plus 15, this is equal to 25 units of work. Now we can see that Ariel and Brent and Casper and Ariel can complete the maximum amount of work in a specific day, and Brent and Casper being the lowest. So we won't take this choice. We'll be taking only Ariel and Brent and Casper and Ariel. So if we have to minimize time, then what we have to maximize the units of work done on a daily basis, right? Now we can see that Ariel plus Brent, AB for short, we'll take it as AB for short, Casper and Ariel, AC for short, complete the highest units of work. And we'll naturally be ignoring Brent and Casper combination. So we can have this specific work schedule. That is, first Ariel and Brent will work because their work capacity is the highest. Then Ariel and Casper will work. And again AB will work because the same combination of Ariel and Casper is not there. So we can have only these two combinations to solve the question. And on 4th day, Ariel and Casper again. And on 5th day, Ariel and Brent will start working. Now, what we can see that in first 4 days, 104 units are completed. How? Because AB plus AC, if we take these 2 days, we know that they together can complete how much? 52 units of work. Similarly, another 52 units for another cycle of AB and AC. So, in first 4 days, 104 units are completed. And remaining is how much? We can see only 16. So, on 5th day, the remaining work will be completed by AB combination. So, the answer is option C. Thank you.